Hey everyone, I decided today I'm going to make a short review of a website and survey company called Survey Junkie. I just recently started using this, and so far, it's not too bad. It's a way to make a couple extra dollars while you're online working from home, or basically working from anywhere as long as you have your computer with you. You're not going to get rich doing this. This isn't one of those make money fast things. Um, you will make some money with it, but it does take some time, and you're not going to make thousands and millions of dollars in a week on this. But so I just wanted to warn you up front. This isn't one of those kind of videos. This is just my opinion and my review on Survey Junkie. So basically, just was looking for a way to make a few extra dollars just while I was home, working at home online. And I came across Survey Junkie. As you can see here, this is the main dashboard, and shows here currently I have 107 points. I filled out a couple of surveys this morning, I think two. My lifetime points and redeemable points. I just cashed out yesterday just to see, if it is legit, and I did get the deposit directly to my PayPal account, and it was almost instantly. I'd say within like 2 minutes after I uh, put in for the deposit, that it went over into my PayPal account. So that was pretty cool. It's pretty quick. Um, as you can see here, there's a couple different ways that you can um, check out. You can get an e-gift card, you can cash out with PayPal, and you can cash out with a bank transfer. The bank transfers do take a few extra days to transfer over. Like I said, PayPal is pretty much instant, and I have not tried the e-gift card option yet, but there's some options such as Amazon, Starbucks, and Target that you can get a gift card for with your points. On this site, 1 point is equal to a penny, so once you make 1,000 points, that's $10, and you need $10 to cash out or redeem. So once you do that, you can redeem your um, redeem your points for money. As you see, these are just a few of the recent surveys I've taken, and then here's my redemption to my PayPal. So I got $11.17. Um, like I said, it's pretty cool. You just go to your main dashboard page here. This shows you how many points the survey is worth, about how long it'll take. Now, I'm a pretty fast typer and a pretty fast clicker, so um, I get these done a lot faster than what they say. Usually, like a 20-minute survey, I can do under 10 minutes. And most of these surveys are just multiple choice questions asking you um, just to, whatever your interests are, you put that in when you sign up. And these surveys are kind of tailored to your interest. Like one of my interests are video games. So I've gotten quite a few surveys asking me about video games that I've played lately, what kind of video games I like, if I play them online, what services do I use, what game consoles do I use. Those are the types of questions that you get, and they're simple questions. Surveys are simple to go through. You may or may not qualify for all of them. If you don't qualify, it'll tell you, and it'll give you a couple points for at least trying the survey. So that's always a nice thing too. As you can see, as I scroll through, you're going to see different colors on these logos here, and the green means that the survey is pretty much empty, and that's a good survey you can go to. If it's red, it means that that survey is filling up and there may not be a spot for you on there. And this bronze, yellow, gold, whatever you want to call it, here just means kind of like in the middle, like it may fill up by the time you get the survey. So green always is a better chance of being able to participate in a survey, and red means it's pretty much filled up and you might not have a chance to participate in that particular survey. But anyways, let's go in this green one real quick and see what we come up with. And I'm not going to go through the whole survey because I don't want to like give out my personal information to everybody. But this is basically the kind of surveys that you get and how they're set up. So this is about a mobile phone. So that's a cool survey, and I'll probably end up taking that that one later on. Anyways, this is Survey Junkie, surveyjunkie.com. I'll have a referral link below that you can click in the description. So when you sign up, you get some extra points. If you use my survey link, I'll get some extra points too. Doesn't cost you anything. It's free to join, and it's free to use. You can pick what surveys you want to do. You pick your interests. If there's something you don't want to disclose or you don't want to give away certain information, you don't have to do so. Totally up to you what you do, how many surveys you take, when you take them. That's the nice thing. You just when you want to make some extra money, you just come on and log on, do the surveys you want to do, and then log off when you're done. There's no hour requirement, survey requirement, anything like that. So anyways, if you have any questions or if you've used this before, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos like this, how to make some money easily from home and using your own computer. Thanks again, and have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please check out the newest video to your right or the suggested video to the left. And please click on the center icon to subscribe to the channel to be notified of all new videos coming in the future. Thanks, and have a great day.